everyone. I'm Verlita White, Superintendent, Roanoke City Public Schools.
And I'm Dr. Cynthia Morrow, Health District Director for the Virginia Department of Health, the Roanoke City and Allegheny Health Districts. One thing that the pandemic has taught us is sometimes we can be together even when we're apart. So I'm so happy to be here today to join you via Zoom.
We are so excited to return to 5 days of in-person learning this fall. As we get ready for the first day of school, I know you have questions, so I wanted to take a few minutes to talk about our continued health and safety mitigation strategies this year.
We've learned so much in the past year and a half with this pandemic. First and foremost, it takes all of us working together to make sure that we can all remain healthy. So if a student isn't feeling well, it's really important that they stay home.
That's right. We know most students are more successful when they attend school in person. But please keep your children home if they are sick.
Don't come to school sick.
That's right, Michaela. And when you are at school, how else can we make sure that everyone stays healthy?
Wash your hands.
Exactly, Dylan. Washing your hands throughout the day, particularly before you eat and after recess, is a great way to stop the spread of germs and also avoid touching your face.
All schools will have hand sanitizer and hand washing stations available for student and staff use so that it's convenient for everyone. Our schools will also be deep cleaned before the school year begins, and our custodial staff will frequently clean bathrooms and high-touch surfaces. Buildings are also equipped with bipolar ionization units and HEPA air purifiers, which will be used in cafeterias, self-contained special education classrooms, and areas where students gather in closer proximity. This will ensure the air quality in our schools is healthy for our students and staff. What's another way we can ensure that we all stay safe?
Wear your mask.
That's right. We want to do everything we can to keep schools open, and wearing a mask is an easy, important way to decrease our chance of getting sick. Roanoke City Public Schools will continue to follow the CDC and VDH recommendations and will require masks for all students and staff, regardless of vaccination status, for the first 9 weeks. Remember, federal law continues to require the use of masks on public transportation, including school buses. And when we're outside, like we are today, we are able to social distance. We'll be able to take our masks off.
Mrs. White, I applaud Roanoke City Public Schools' decision to start the school year by wearing masks as required by Virginia state law and as recommended by the Centers for Disease Control and the American Academy of Pediatrics. The Delta variant is in the Roanoke Valley, and as of the beginning of August, transmission rates in our area are high. Last year, schools were not a source of transmission because of the community mitigation strategies that they had in place. And wearing masks was such an important part of that. These steps will optimize our children being in school and keep them from getting sick.
Get vaccinated.
That is excellent advice. I got my COVID vaccine, and I strongly encourage anyone who meets the age requirements to get yours too, if you can do so safely. It's an important tool to keep everyone in our community safe.
I got my vaccine too. Currently, in the Roanoke City Health District, approximately 60% of our adults have been vaccinated with the COVID-19 vaccine. In the Roanoke City Public Schools, however, we only know of about 4% of students who've gotten their vaccines. It's very important for all of us to remain vigilant so that students can benefit from 5 days of in-person learning. It's so important for all of us to get our vaccine so all of our children can stay in school.
I know I'm excited for the start of the school year and to welcome our students back. Are you guys excited for the start of the school year?
Yes, we're ready.
We look forward to seeing our students on August 24th. With your support, we will all have a happy, healthy school year, right?
Yes, do it for us.